Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install games on the MetaQuest 3. We will start by opening the Store app from the Shortcuts menu. Here we are going to click on the top category of games. If we look at the top, we will see a series of predefined categories with which to display the content. We will also have the filter option to select game appearance filters. After that, let's see the list of games. Here we can find games that must be purchased directly and whose price we can see in preview. To buy them, click on the chosen game and choose Gift, or click on the price and buy it. We will have to have a credit card, debit card, or PayPal account added for this. There is also the possibility of finding games that have to be purchased for the full version, but that we can try with the free trial option. We can choose this option within the game and accept and download to use the game for a specific period of time, so we will know if we like it enough to buy it or not. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, we also have the possibility of finding free games and applications that allow us to get directly at no cost. All the games you buy and install can be found in the application library section. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.